Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious juicy cheeseburger. So I've divided the minced beef into 4 equal portions. I'll gently flatten and shape. I want them all the same thickness so they cook evenly. After I've shaped them, I use a spoon to make an indentation in the centre of each burger. This will help the burger hold its shape and not swell so much when cooking. I'm not going to be cooking them straight away. I'll add a little salt and pepper just before I'm ready to cook them. For now, I'm just going to leave them in the fridge. I'm going to slice and fry 1 onion to add to my burger. So I'll just fry my onions under a medium heat. After a few minutes, the onions are nice and brown, and I'll just set them to one side and keep them warm. For my sauce, I'd like a simple mix of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. I've preheated the oven to 200 Celsius and I'll season each burger generously with salt and pepper. I'll salt and pepper each side before popping them into the oven. Halfway through the cooking, I take them out just to flip them over and put them back in the oven. And now I just put 1 slice of cheese on each burger, along with 1 burger bun. As you can see, the cheese is melted and the burger buns are toasted. Now I'll just build my cheeseburger. And there it is, easy, delicious, juicy cheeseburger. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.